Oh, I love it. I love dancing. Anything anybody gives me to dance, fair enough. You don't even have to ask me. I'll do it. I hate telling people, how old are you, Dinky? All the time. What the hell does it matter how old I am? I'm still living and I'm still going strong. Doesn't matter whether I'm 30 or 100. I'm a terror for work. I don't work because I like it, I work because I love it. I think the thing is not to sit on your bum all day. Do things. I have never stopped. Ballet, tap, modern, demi-character, all of it. And I've been all over the world dancing. I think anybody that can dance, even if it's only a little, it gives you the world good for one thing. You're using your body. I mean, how does anybody expect in this world to have a good body, walk well, feel well, if they're not doing anything? It's impossible.